Well, the Aam Aadmi Party has taken some crucial decisions after the volatile National Council meeting tomorrow. New Lokpal committee has been constituted, which is made up of 3 members: Rakesh Sinha, SP Verma, ND Kumar. The new disciplinary committee will have Dinesh Waghela as chairman. Ashish Khaitan and Pankaj Gupta are also going to be part of the disciplinary committee. On the 22nd of March, they will, in fact, on the 22nd of next month, they will protest against the land bill outside Parliament, and 6 members in total, that is Ilyas Azmi, Prem Singh Pahari, Yogesh Dahiya, Somendra Dhaka, Gurnam Singh, Kiran Vissa, Sanjay Singh will head the committee that will inquire about the present state of each state of India. Now, what's the status of the political funding matter as well will be looked into by these people. The committee will decide further action based on these reports.
पार्टी पहले से उन मुद्दों पे काम कर रही है,
तो अगर काम कर रही थी तो विवाद की स्थिति पैदा नहीं,
विवाद की स्थिति नहीं थी, उनको तो निकाला गया है क्योंकि उन्होंने अनुशासनहीनता की थी।
पार्टी से निकालने पर कुछ फैसला हुआ इसके ऊपर या आगे कुछ?
वो सारा फैसला तो अनुशासन समिति करेगी।
पहला निर्णय है कि एक नई लोकपाल समिति का गठन किया जा रहा है, जिसमें 3 मेंबर्स होंगे। पहले हैं श्री N. दिलीप कुमार, जो कि फॉर्मर IPS ऑफिसर हैं। दूसरे हैं श्री राकेश सिन्हा जी, जो कि एक फॉर्मर DIG रह चुके हैं और दिल्ली में ही रहते हैं। और तीसरे हैं श्री डॉक्टर SP वर्मा जी, जो कि एक एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं, शिक्षाविद हैं। हमारी तीनों से बात हो गई है, उन्होंने ये कार्यभार संभालने के लिए अपनी सहमति दे दी है और अब शीघ्र ही उनका कार्यकाल शुरू हो जाएगा आज से। इसके साथ ही हमने आज एक नई डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी का भी गठन किया है, नेशनल डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी। उसमें 3 लोग होंगे, जिसके चेयरमैन होंगे श्री दिनेश वाघेला जी, जो कि राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी के सदस्य भी हैं। दूसरे सदस्य होंगे आशीष खैतान जी और तीसरा सदस्य मैं खुद हूं, पंकज गुप्ता। साथ ही जैसा कि कल राष्ट्रीय परिषद की मीटिंग में एक हमने अहम निर्णय लिया था कि 22 अप्रैल को, आने वाली 22 अप्रैल को हम संसद का घेराव करेंगे लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल के ऊपर, और उस चीज को अंजाम देने के लिए एक 6 सदस्यीय समिति का गठन किया गया है, जिसमें श्री इल्यास आजमी जी होंगे, श्री प्रेम सिंह पहाड़ी जी होंगे, श्री योगेश दहिया जी होंगे, श्री सोमेंद्र ढाका जी होंगे, गुरनाम सिंह जी होंगे और श्री किरण विस्सा जी होंगे। तो ये 6 सदस्यीय समिति जो है 22 अप्रैल के हमारे धरने की रूपरेखा तैयार करेगी, उसकी तैयारी करेगी। हाँ, इल्यास आजमी जी, प्रेम सिंह पहाड़ी जी, योगेश दहिया जी, सोमेंद्र ढाका जी, गुरनाम सिंह जी और किरण विस्सा जी। चौथा महत्वपूर्ण डिसीजन हमारा आज का ये रहा कि संजय सिंह जी के नेतृत्व में एक समिति का गठन किया जाएगा और वो हर राज्य से उसकी मौजूदा स्थिति की समीक्षा करवाएगी, संगठन की समीक्षा करी जाएगी, जिससे हर राज्य से ये पूछा जाएगा कि वहाँ पे बूथ लेवल के कार्यकर्ताओं की क्या स्थिति है, राज्य में फंडिंग की क्या स्थिति है, राज्य में पॉलिटिकल स्टेटस क्या है उनके, और वो किस तरह से तैयार हैं अब तक की स्थिति को निपटने के लिए। उन सब का जायजा लिया जाएगा और उन रिपोर्ट्स के बेसिस पे फिर ये समिति आगे के कार्यक्रम उन राज्यों में तैयार करेगी।
Through a democratic process, the National Council, the supreme decision-making body, has unanimously decided this. Unanimously decided. Secondly, the minimum discipline has to be enforced. Not everybody and anybody is authorized to speak and say whatever which is affecting and tarnishing the image of the party. That's very important. If you have if anybody wants to raise certain issues, want to say something, has certain concern, they are free to raise their issues inside the party, not every time rushing to the media and creating a tamasha. I'm sorry, Mr. Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan has found it fashionable. Everybody rushing to the media. Every communication which was done internally was leaked out. These leaks by Mr. Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav has tarnished the image of the party. It is they who brought this battle in open. If they had problems, They should have discussed inside the party. On 4th March, it was unanimously decided that nobody will go to the media. It is they who had gone to the media.
But going by that, do we expect a severe action against them, or against your 4 members, and expulsion? The next National Executives meeting is also taking place.
See, let me tell you one thing. Now, since National Council is empowered, has taken a decision unanimously that indiscipline will not be tolerated. They have been removed from the National Executive, and if there is evidence of any further indiscipline and breaching,
evidence is already out. You also said, and Arvind also specified point by point. So they've violated all the laws of indiscipline.
If they have violated any law of indiscipline, certainly the party will look into that.
All right, and some major decisions taken at that meeting that was held at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is joining us with more details from outside Kejriwal's residence. Kamal, does it go without saying that the new committees formed today have more of those who are confidants of Kejriwal?
Well, absolutely. They've obviously edged out all those people who were against Kejriwal. And remember, a lot of bad blood is now there between the old guard and the new guard. So obviously, they've been very specific. The old guard has been edged out. There are a series of committees which have been formed. But what is more important is what the new committee does. Remember, the disciplinary committee was initially headed by Prashant Bhushan. He is no longer a member. And obviously, a disciplinary action will be taken. And yes, we can go ahead and actually stick our neck out and perhaps say that in some time or now there would be a time when both Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav would be edged out of the party also. So this is something which is expected to happen in the next couple of days. But what is more important is that there needs to be a certain damage control what the party is trying to do together. The fact remains that they have the numbers in Delhi Assembly also. It's a very confident majority. So yes, they would want to send a message out to Delhiites that the government is in place. This is only an internal disturbance of the party. The party will continue to work not just in Delhi but also outside. Some of the decisions which were made within this particular meeting itself. But definitely as far as the war between the old guard and the new guard is concerned, the old guard eventually getting edged out and the new guard is taking place. And obviously this means that the ouster of Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav is only a matter of time from the Aam Aadmi Party.
Kamal, many thanks for joining us with those details.